Mechanism for a slotted link and cranks. The slotted link and crank consist of a rod attached to a crank, with the movement of the rod constrained to pass through a point. In this instance, we're talking about point D. Everything that happens here must go through the point. Question is here, draw the locus of point P for one full revolution of the crank AB in the slotted link and crank mechanism shown below. The link BC is free to slide through the swiveling guide D at all times. All times it will go through here. We are given AB as being 30, BC as being 120. The golden rule here is to divide your circle into 12 equal parts after you have drawn the given, of course. So, step 1, divide the circle into 12 equal parts using 30 degrees set square, and you put the labels accordingly. Now, in this case, 1, 2, 3 is going clockwise direction. You could have gone anti-clockwise. That's fine. The next step is to now make sure that you draw a line from 2 through D, because it says the slotted link crank consists of a rod attached to a crank with the movement of the rod constrained to pass through a point. From 2, it must pass through this point D, and you take the distance of BP to scribe on the new line. Place your compass on 2, scribe to get P1. So this is what you do. You repeat that process. You repeat that process until you have this. Each time you draw a line, like for example, let's look at 5, pass through D, take the distance of B, P1, and place it on 5, you scribe an arc to find P5. You do that for all the divisions, and this would have been your answer when you join it freehand. In this way, you have found your point P. Use your flexicurve or freehand.